Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that reactive network token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, reactive network is the coordination layer for the multi-chain era. It enables reactive smart contracts that track every chain, execute automatically and settle outcomes anywhere. Built for speed and scale, reactive powers self-operating event-driven apps across DeFi, RWA gaming, and AI. Reactive network token total supply is 617.3 million and circulating supply is also 617.329 million React token. React token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, MEX, Crypto.com, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.